Hi, I'm Chris from needlepointers.com, and today I'm going to show you this Sallie Tomato Crossbody handbag that I sewed with a kit from Missouri Star Quilt Company. This bag is made of cotton fabric and cork. The cork is on the bottom half of the bag, and the cotton is on the top half, flap, and the interior of the bag. This crossbody bag features a zipper exterior pocket, a magnet snap closure, an inside slip pocket, and an adjustable crossbody strap. All of the seams on the inside of the bag and the pocket are fully finished with no raw edges showing. The kit came with everything I needed to make this handbag, including the pattern, fabrics, cork, zipper, magnet snap enclosure, and strap hardware. This is a medium-sized crossbody bag, large enough to fit your wallet, sunglasses, and some personal items. It's 11 inches wide by 10 inches high and 3 inches deep. A printed pattern came with my kit, but you can also purchase a PDF downloadable pattern. If you get the printed pattern, you will need to trace the pattern pieces because the pattern pieces are printed on both sides of the paper. I traced the pieces onto paper before cutting the fabric. Please note that there are two front-bottom panel pieces. One is used for the cork fabric, and one is for when you are using cotton fabric on the bottom half of the bag. When you're cutting the contrast or cork fabric, note that you will need a 1 1/2 inch or 3 inch by 25 inch piece. I cut these pieces first to make sure I had enough length of fabric. This pattern was designed for beginners, and the instructions are very detailed with lots of photos, making this bag easy to sew. The cork fabric is interesting to work with. I have never sewn with cork before, and I didn't know what to expect. The cork has a fabric backing. I don't recommend pinning the cork because it would be hard to pin, but also the holes may show after removing the pins. To hold the cork in place, I recommend using these fabric clips or double-sided basting tape. The bag strap is made by folding a piece of cork in half and then top stitching along both edges. The strap hardware was included with the kit, so there are swivel hooks, D-rings, and a slide buckle. I love the professional appearance of the zipper and the pull. This is a faux metal zipper with easy-to-cut nylon teeth. The Sallie Tomato website has patterns, kits, and these wonderful zippers and hardware. Needlepointers.com is a Sallie Tomato affiliate, so please support us by shopping through our links. If you are interested in making a handbag like this one, or would like to see more photos of this handbag, please click the link in the description of this video to visit our page for this project. On that page will be links to where you can find the Sallie Tomato Ginger Crossbody Bag pattern, bag hardware, kits, and more. We've also included a link to a video tutorial by Sallie Tomato on making this Ginger Crossbody bag. We hope you enjoyed learning about this handbag and kit. Like and share our videos, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss future videos. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other sewing tutorials and free projects. While you are there, sign up for our free weekly newsletter so you won't miss new tutorials. Happy sewing!